Hello tigers, we love tigers, and we listen to the voice inside us. Hello tigers, we love tigers, and we're filling the world with love. Rah!
Hello there, tigers, and welcome to the Attitude is Gratitude workshop. Now, attitude and gratitude are two very big words, I know, so let's talk about what they mean. An attitude is how we choose to see something. And when we choose to see something in a good way, that affects how we feel. And when we choose to see things in a bad way, that affects how we feel and we can feel bad. So an attitude is how we are choosing to experience something, because our thoughts always drive our feelings. And we can't always control our feelings, but we can learn to control our thoughts. And gratitude is the wonderful practice of being thankful for something. So all it means is, instead of, do you know sometimes when one of your friends has got a toy that you don't have, or maybe they have a big garden that you don't have, or someone has something and it makes you feel less than because you're thinking about the thing that you don't have? Well, being grateful or having gratitude is just switching that. And instead of thinking about the things you don't have, which makes you feel rubbish, we start thinking about the things that we do have, and that makes us feel amazing. So, for example, I think we're something like 8% of the entire world who has enough food, shelter, electricity and spare money for doing courses like this or going on holiday. Or, there are so many people in the world, that children that don't have electricity or clean water, they don't even have a TV or a computer to watch this on. Do you know? We have so much. I mean, even just even having a toilet in your house is something to be grateful for. We have so much. And when we start to focus our minds on all the things that we do have, because I bet you've got toys that your friends wish they had as well. And when we focus on that and how lucky we are to have that, or to have your mum or your dad or whatever in your life, that changes how you feel and that becomes your experience. So this song is all about giving thanks for the things that we have and teaching you how you can bring gratitude into your day. So there's a few little moves for us to learn. It's going to be quite cool, this one, because we're going to be doing this in like a hip hop funky style. So I'm going to teach you some moves and I'm going to teach you the words. But before we go in to learn the song, I just want you to close your eyes. A little exercise for us. I want you to close your eyes and I want you to think of 3 things that you have in your life that you are really, really grateful for to have. So it could be your mum, or it could be your nice, lovely bed, or it could be the fact that you've got a best friend, or that you love your school and you're really happy, or it could be your favourite teddy. So just close your eyes and think how it would feel to not have those things. And then how amazing it is to have those things. And just by changing our thoughts of what we do have, we can change how we feel. So, let's learn the song. Now, before we start the song, I really feel like we should have like a warm-up. And I was thinking we should do a thank you warm-up. So what we're going to do is we are going to start down on the floor. And do you remember those 3 things that you just thought about that you have in your life that are amazing? I'm going to start down here and close your eyes. And what we're going to do is we're going to start really, really low. And we're going to think about the things that we have that make us feel amazing and happy. And we're going to go, thank you, 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 thank you. Rah! I'll do a massive rah. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, let's go again. So start at the bottom. Think about all the things that you have in your life and how lucky you are. Think how amazing it is. And we're going to go, thank you, 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 thank you. Rah! Amazing. So I always think gratitude is a bit like gratitude, right? We have to be grateful. So this song is all about how you can bring gratitude into your life. So let's learn the words. So the song is going to remind us how to bring a gratitude practice into our day. And we call it a gratitude practice because to get good at absolutely anything, whether it's kicking a ball or using a knife and fork or anything, we have to do it over and over again. It's a practice. And so 2 really nice places that you can bring gratitude into your day is when you wake up in the morning and when you go to bed at night. So that's where the song starts. The song starts when you wake up in the morning and you get out of bed. So when I wake up in the morning, I always take a moment and I think about how lovely and warm my bed is and how soft my pillow is and just how amazing my bed. I love my bed. Do you love your bed? I do. So I just take a moment to be really thankful for how safe I feel and warm I feel. So we start like this. Wake up in the morning and I get out of bed. All the things I'm grateful for running through my head. Giving thanks makes me feel so amazing. Ain't no better feeling than when I am praising. So we're going to start like this. Wake up in the morning and I get out of bed. All the things I'm grateful for running through my head. Giving thanks makes me feel so amazing. Ain't no better feeling than when I am praising. Okay? And then when I get out of bed, I don't know about you, but the first thing I have to do when I wake up in the morning, I have to go for a wee. Do you find that? I know you mums probably do. I have to go in the night sometimes as well. So what I do is when I get out of bed, I make sure that every single step I take, I'm going, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm being thank you for the nice soft carpet, or I'm being thank you for the fact that I've got a toilet in my house. I mean, only 100 years ago, people used to have to go outside to a little shed at the bottom of the garden to have a wee or a poo. So the fact that we have running water and a toilet and it's warm, so much to be grateful for and to give thanks for, right? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going, every single time I put my foot on the floor, I am making sure I'm thankful to my core. Sorry, sidetracked. Tiger leggings, spoiling you people. So every single time I put my foot on the floor, I am making sure I'm thankful to my core. Giving thanks makes me feel so fantastic. Pulling good things to me just like I'm a magnet. And that, my friends, is because when we feel good about ourselves and we change our thoughts to make our feelings feel better, because remember, thoughts drive our feelings. By choosing the thoughts and choosing what we focus our mind on, we can change how we feel. And what this does is, a lot of people say that it makes you a little bit like a magnet for other positive things because it gives you a positive energy, which we're going to be looking at more in the next song. But making sure that you're giving off a positive vibration. So that's how the song goes. So and then we go so let's run through it again. So wake up in the morning and I get out of bed. Like this. All the things I'm grateful for running through my head. Giving thanks makes me feel so amazing. Ain't no better feeling than when I am praising. Every single time I put my foot on the floor, I am making sure I'm thankful to my core. Giving thanks makes me feel so fantastic. Pulling good things to me just like I'm a magnet. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do this. That attitude is gratitude. Now, this is the sign for gratitude. When people do this, it's often like a sign throughout the world of giving thanks or being grateful. So the attitude is gratitude. The attitude is gratitude. So that's the chorus. The attitude is gratitude. The attitude is gratitude. The attitude is gratitude. The attitude is gratitude. Okay? We're going to be doing loads and loads of hip-hop-y style dancing. So to do that kind of thing, what you've got to be doing is we're going to be going like this, okay? If you've ever seen like a rap video or a hip-hop video where people are a bit cool, that's what we're going to be doing. So if you can try and walk like that when we're doing the song. Now, the next verse goes like this. So now we're going to bring gratitude into the end of our day, aren't we? So every single time I put my head down to rest. So instead of waking up in the morning, every single time I put my head down to rest. So practice this with me. Go like this. That's it. I am making sure I'm feeling at my best. Giving thanks makes me feel so amazing. Ain't no better feeling than when I am praising. So we're going to do this again. So exactly the same actions. Yeah. Even though I know I am drifting off to sleep, I am making sure my dreams and visions I keep. Giving Giving thanks makes me feel so fantastic, pulling good things to me just like I'm a magnet. Okay, so we're going to do this like we did in the beginning. Even though I know I am drifting off to sleep, I am making sure my dreams and visions I keep. Giving thanks makes me feel so fantastic, pulling good things to me just like I'm a magnet. So there's lots to learn in this song, so you might have to practice it a few times, but the song is wicked. So you're going to want to do it again. Anyway, but it just reminds you, because when we're drifting off to sleep, this is a really powerful time to think about the life that we want. Remember, like we did a bit in Dream Train, and think about the things that we want in our life and our dreams. But when we attach an amazing, elevated, lifting emotion or feeling like gratitude to that dream, magical things start to happen. So, and I want you to just take a moment to think about that for a moment, because when you do think about something sad, it does make you feel like that. But when you think about all the things and how wonderful your life is and how grateful, you get a lifting feeling here, which we're going to be doing more in the next song. So, without further ado, let's do it! Never forget, always be grateful. So I forgot to say, so you don't need anything specific for this workshop, but you know me, and you know I love a little bit of dress up, right? So if you've got any sunglasses, go and get them. If you've got a hoodie you can put on, go and get it. If you've got maybe a beanie or a baseball hat that you can put on maybe backwards to make yourself a bit more hip hop, go and get it. And if you have got any dress up jewellery, or your mum's got any jewellery that she won't mind you using, go and get blinged up, because dress up always makes things so much more fun. And you know I'm going to want to see pictures and videos in the Facebook group, right? So press pause on the video, go and get the stuff, and I'll see you in the song.
Wake up in the morning and I get out of bed. All the things I'm grateful for running through my head. Giving thanks makes me feel so amazing. Ain't no better feeling than what I am embracing. Every single time I put my foot on the floor, I'm making sure that I am thankful to my core. Giving thanks makes me feel so fantastic, pulling good stuff to me just like I'm a magnet. Attitude is gratitude. The 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 attitude is gratitude. Every single time I put my head down to rest, I am making sure I'm feeling at my best. Giving thanks makes me feel so amazing. Ain't no better feeling than what I am embracing. Even when I know I am drifting off to sleep, I am making sure my dreams and visions I keep. Giving thanks makes me feel so fantastic, pulling good stuff to me just like I'm a magnet. Attitude is gratitude. The 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 attitude is gratitude. Attitude is gratitude. The 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 attitude is gratitude.
Sometimes it's easy to forget how much we have. Always be grateful.